Hello everyone and welcome to this space. My name is Orelua and I am a writer by passion and SDGs 8 DKF by purpose and a project manager by profession for now. Since this is the first video, this is a get to know me video and I'll be answering some questions so that you can get to know me. If you are just joining this community, which you most likely are, because this is the first video, kindly subscribe. So now, time to unbox the questions. Okay. Yes, I have. I've been to about 6 states: Lagos, Owerri, Anambra, Ekiti, Osun. Which other one? Ogun State. Have I mentioned Ogun State? But yes, I have traveled outside Lagos. Okay, next question. No, never. I am inside. You will not find me outside at night. It's dark. Dangerous things happen at night. The daytime is the time to have fun. Never at night. Washing plates. Yes, washing plates. No, sweeping. Sweeping. Because washing plates is a chore, right? I can sweep, add mopping to it, add removing cobwebs, and I still wouldn't mind. But washing plates takes me hours to wash plates. Although between washing plates and washing clothes, I'll choose washing plates. I think both of them are one and the same. However, I would go for reading because I can hear the stories of people or find out about people's lifestyle and the lessons from their life journeys by reading about them. And people don't necessarily, they do, but not many people tell stories of their entire life's journey through music. But music is good, but I prefer reading. Okay, my middle name is Adura Agbemi, and that means prayer carries me. Am I currently living my name? That's a very good question. Am I? I think I'm currently living Oreolua because I'm a gift. But am I a prayer warrior? God is helping us. Moving on. Okay, so I think there are two methods. There is the boiling method and the frying method. I could be wrong. I'm not a chef, but I think I do the boiling method. You prep your ingredients, all of those crunchy carrots and all of that stuff, and you parboil your rice, and after frying all of those ingredients, put in the rice, add your chicken or turkey stock, and spice it. And that is your fried rice. What else am I supposed to say? That is a tricky question because I am a fan of adventures, but I don't like long distance. So traveling minus long distance equals to Ore can do it. Ore can go on an adventure. But by the time I'm adding the long distance to it, I don't want to go. So, because right now, even the island, I stay on the mainland, and even the island is a journey already for me. So not to talk of going to other states. So if you can cut out the long distance from it, yeah, I'm a fan of traveling. Yeah, doesn't everybody salt their white rice? But I also Maggi my white rice too. Yes, I put Maggi in my white rice. And I honestly didn't know that everybody didn't until I went to the university and we cooked in like this public kitchen. And then I was putting Maggie in my white rice one day and somebody said, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "I'm making white rice. What does it look like?" And they were all shocked, right? And I came home, I'm like, "That's how we make it in my house."
God
Right?
have mercy
So
upon us.
I Maggie my white rice, but at least I don't Maggie my yam. I salt my yam. And I don't salt my dodo. So yeah, I Maggie my white rice and I salt my white rice. Which is the very last question here. Is the title of the first series is going to be an interview series. My first content will be an interview series, and the title is Everyday Heroes, the Entrepreneur's Guide. And it's really going out to entrepreneurs, especially students and young adults who are making sacrifices every day to show up in their businesses and to see what they are doing, how they are doing it well, and to encourage other people who are finding it a bit tough in this economy to get up and navigate the ways. You know what they say, that when you have a mentor or a coach who has gone ahead of you, you make less mistakes. So yes, I think seeing young people who are into business and hearing from their stories what they did, how they can improve, all of those things, yeah, would help other entrepreneurs coming up. And I think it's going to help Nigeria at large. Like I said, 8 DKF on unemployment. So I think this is the way to solve unemployment, by helping other people to see how they can improve their businesses, especially young adults. Now, I have come to the end of this question and answer session, or should I say this get to know me session. Am I odd or am I not odd? Which of these things do you also do? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Or which of these things will you never do? Let me know in the comment section. All right, but make sure you do not leave this channel without subscribing, turning on your notifications, giving me a thumbs up, especially if you did like this video, and commenting. Oh, plus sharing. That was a mouthful, but don't leave without doing any of these things. Bye.